Well, previously at the end, so you like remember it, at the end of nature.
Oh no, he's gonna eat me.
And now and then we're gonna stop doing previously, and now we're gonna do like what's happened after previously. A moment without starvation. Without starvation. Excuse me, I burped. Anyways, now we're going to go over our neighbor's fence. Just so you know, I don't know these people, so wish me good luck. They're not really home right now. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, we're at the neighbor's fence. See? That's the garbage place. This isn't their fence, but like the garbage was there. So, here's what it looks like over the fence. They got a hot tub, which is weird. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. Hide in here. Hide in here. Shoot. That's weird. Okay, let me see if there actually was here, but I heard a car. There's a little girl. So, we're back, and that was kind of creepy. Well, we love you guys, and we're going to say goodbye. Bye!